Hi guys, my name is Michael and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at how you can make money by watching videos. So you have heard a lot about how you can watch videos and make money, which you've been thinking whether it is true or it's not. Today we are going to look at two websites that you can actually earn money on by watching videos. Not only watching videos, but you can also earn money by taking surveys. You can earn money by playing games, by downloading softwares, applications on your phones, and all that. So let's just get started by not wasting much time. So the first website we are going to talk about is Ad Adsrepay. Adsrepay. So this website, what you do is when you go to Google, you just type ads repay. Then what you need to do is just enter. So this is what you receive. So we'll go straight to ads repay, log on. So this is the platform. This is the first you see. So you go to sign up. So you quickly sign up with your email. Here it says email. Let's just type this email. And then you put here your username. So I have lots of accounts. I have about 2 accounts. So I'm actually creating a new account so that in addition with the two I have, so that you will know how the process I go through by creating an account. So here your username, let's say type your name here, your name that you want to be seen. Okay. So here choose a preferred password. But the password is supposed to contain a symbol, a number, uppercase, at least one uppercase and at least one lowercase, and it should be more than 8. So let's just quickly type in a password. Okay, so you repeat the same thing here. So if you have a referral code, you can use it. But this is my referral code is, if you want a referral code, my referral code is beneath the video, in the video description, so you can check and put that there if you want to use a referral code, but it's optional, so you can choose not to. So here you start, you click on start now. Okay, it says my name already existed, so let's just do something unique. So I think I've used the name already. Okay, so I need to type in the password again. So you tick I am not a robot. So we click on start now again. So hopefully this time it works. It says that you have successfully signed up. Please check your email and confirm your registration. So what we are going to do is we are going to click on this, and then before we log in, you have to go to your email. Go to your email and then refresh it. So if you refresh it, you see they had already sent you um, a message, an email in your inbox. So you just click on this, open it, and click on confirm email. So after you click on the confirmation, it brings you to the login page. Yes. So if you get to the login page, all you need to do is to type your credentials. I think I already have it. So type your credentials, and then you click on I'm not a robot, and then you log in. Yes. So here you are. So now you have an account with Adsrepay. 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 As you can see here, Adsrepay. So here they say earn 5% more on these websites. So they have also given you another website that you can also make money on apart from this. So you can also make money here or here. This is also another place you can watch videos and do other things. Okay, but we are talking about Adsrepay, and Adsrepay. If you look at the this is the surface. So this is the home page you have. So you can check on how it works. You can check on daily offers, and then voila, you're gone. So here you can also take surveys. You can see surveys here. A lot of surveys you can take, a lot of them. I wish I'll take one so that you know, but some of them actually takes time, which it will extend the length of the video. So when you come down, you see offers, tax, and games. So over here too, you can watch videos. You can see. So those who are looking for videos to watch and earn money, you can watch videos. If you come to here says global, yes, but the rest does not work in Ghana. So don't even bother yourself opening it. But this one says global. So if you click on it, you can see a lot of videos that you can watch to earn points. Now, this is something that you should also know. You are earning points. The points will be converted into money, into dollars. So here you can earn points. Okay, so this is where you watch the videos. So there are a lot of videos. Come on, there's a lot of videos here. Here you click on watch videos. You come here, you watch a lot of videos. See, there are a lot. And these are the points it will give you. If you watch this one, it will give you 3 points. Watch this one, watch this one, watch this one. You see how much all will give you. You see how much. This is 3, this is 3, this is 2, 0.2, this is 3. So the one with the 0 points is smaller, but the one with the without the 0 points is a very bigger number. So let's go. Now we are going to look at how we can also convert these points, this 3, 2, and all these points into money. Yes. So what you are going to, let's go back from the tax. So after you've earned your money from watching the videos, taking surveys, a lot. With the surveys, the points are a lot. Yes, with the surveys, the points are a lot. Some of the surveys, you can get 100 points. Yes. So if you go to surveys to, let's try surveys. Before we look at how you can convert the point into money, let's go to survey. So let's just take one survey, the first one, and then see. Okay, so The first one, my internet, it will load soon so that we will look at it. Okay, yes. So this is some of the surveys here. So this survey actually gives you 44 points after finishing it. This also gives you thousand 1925 points. This also gives you the same. This one even gives you 2117.5 points. There are a lot here. Come on, guys. There are a lot. This one also gives you 4000, and these are points. These are points. These are not in dollars or anything. But let's look at how you can convert. Yes. So look at this. Imagine if you get this. If you are done with this, what you need to do is to go back. So now we are going to look at how we can redeem. Let's say we've gotten 2000 points, not dollars, but points. And then how we will redeem. Let's look at how much it will be. So over here, you look at how you can redeem. Okay, so let's go quickly. Let's go to where we redeem. So now you've gotten the points, 2000 points. So let's go down to redeem. So you see redeem here, or you can even go down here. You see redeem here. So let's click on PayPal because we want to redeem our points on PayPal. So this is what it says. Now, if you want your points, if you get 125 points, it gives you $1. So then you redeem it. If you click here, it will take you to PayPal, and then you just pay to your PayPal account. So if you earn 225 points, you get $2. So let's say we earned 2000. Yes, so 2000, it means that here we got 2000 points. So here we don't have 2000 points here. So let's say you try and get 2500 points. That's what is the point you have here, here, here. So you see that here I have 10 points. 10 points is what they give you when, as soon as you, like a bonus when you sign up. So let's say I have 22,500 points here. It means that I can do what? I can redeem it and get $25 in my PayPal account. Look at this. Yes. So if you are able to get 2000, sorry, if you're able to get 9000, if you're able to get 9000 points over here, it means that you can redeem it and get to your PayPal account. You can get $100 in your PayPal account, guys. So this is it. This is it. So if you don't know about it, if you're in Ghana and anything, you can try this. You can make some money. Yes, for me, this is my third account I have opened. Because of the tutorial, I had to open another account, and I love opening accounts. If you have a lot of emails, you can open accounts on all the emails. Sorry, with all the emails, and then you do what? You put the money together. You be doing it here, doing it here, doing it here. Yes, and then you do what? You earn some money. So you can see this one. I'm not the one saying it. It's on the app. So you see, I like when I teach technical stuff than telling you that go to this website, visit this website, you can make money. Visit this website, you can make money. No, I am practically teaching you how it is done. Do you understand? So don't let anybody come and brag to you that you can make money online by doing this, by going here, going here, going here, visit here, visit here. Have you asked yourself if he or she has done it before? So I'm teaching you. This is how you can do it practically. Visit this website, log in with your email and all that. Take surveys. Take You saw the survey. Some are 2000, some are some are 1000, some are 100. Yes, but the videos are not a lot. For the video points, you won't get a lot. But they are the ones too that you can quickly start the video within some few seconds, then switch it off, go to the next video. You don't make you don't wait till the video is the video finishes or the video ends. So guys, try this. Try this. So the next website will be in my other video, which you can also earn over there. With that website, you actually earn the money, not the points. But this one, you earn points. So watch my next video on that. Yes. So here you can make money here. You can make money here. You can actually make money here. So guys, follow me for more on Instagram, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, and then share with your friends so that we can get going. There's a lot of websites I would like to teach you about that there's a lot of benefits on. Yes, yes. All right. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video.